Active weather on this 28th day of February in many parts of the country. If it's not happening now, it's heading your way. But thunderstorms in February? Thank you, Little Beach Lady in Port Stanley, Ontario, through the overnight hours. In Hamilton as well. We got a lot of really distinct and vivid lightning. There was hail, there was heavy downpours, and of course a lot of these storms got going yesterday. And you know who was out whenever there's thunderstorms. You know Mark Robinson's going to be out. So Mark, what were you doing yesterday? Where were you driving around? What were you seeing?
Oh no, I just stayed home, Chris. I decided not to go out. No, I mean, I kid. I was actually out in and around the Tavistock area. I was dealing with heavy rain, hail, lightning, and some half-decent winds. I mean, this is not what I expect in February. This was very, very odd. In fact, I actually could only find one rain jacket because everything else is packed away for winter. So it was a wild one.
Okay, Mark, thunderstorms once again in the forecast today. Not necessarily all in the same areas, but what is your plan for today?
Well, I mean, Chris, I got to show you everything I've got in the car. So there's my rain jacket. There's my winter jacket. There's my insulated rain jacket. I have my snow pants. I've got my winter pants, and I have my shorts. Because that's the kind of day it's going to be here in Southern Ontario. We're going to go from warm right over to cold as that cold front comes through. So I have to be prepared for everything. So first up, thunderstorms, and then winter later on. It's just a wild day.
All right. Well, Mark, thank you. I'll let you clean up your driveway. The neighbors, I'm sure, as always, entertained by your antics, as we are. And we wish you all the best for that. So there's your thunderstorm potential. Of course, we've already seen some thunderstorms and had them. This is going to be accompanied by some very strong winds as well and rapidly dropping temperatures. There's your showers. There's your scattered storms moving from Ontario into Quebec through the afternoon hours as temperatures fall. In Southern Ontario, rain changes to snow. It'll do that this evening in Eastern Ontario and Quebec. And then significant lake effect snow bands will be quite an issue off Georgian Bay, Lake Huron, and even southeast of Lake Superior. So you've got rain changing to snow. You've got plummeting temperatures, meaning surfaces could ice over. You've got winds gusting 60 to 80 kilometers per hour with this strong cold winds as they knife across the region. And my goodness, is there anything else we can possibly add to that? So this is a multifaceted threat that's headed your way, including temperatures that go from double digits early in the afternoon into sub-zero by the evening. So this is a quick change. Flash freeze advisories include around northern GTA, over towards Ottawa, Montreal. Look at Montreal today, 13 degrees, 15 in Drummondville. Look upstream, Val d'Or, 7. That's an early afternoon. Your temperatures will plummet this evening and overnight. And tomorrow morning, minus 11 in Montreal. So you're going to be dealing with very potentially icy conditions and strong winds for you as well, up to 90 kilometers per hour this evening and overnight. So power outages too. Feeling like spring today in the Maritimes, but heavy rain. St. John, New Brunswick, up to 100 millimeters of rain, not out of the question, but a good soak widespread, 70 to 100 kilometers per hour into the Maritimes and into Newfoundland as this moves its way in by tonight and tomorrow. And across the west, temperatures warming up in southern Alberta. Snow has changed to rain for the lower elevations of BC. Mountain snow, though, rough travel. Meanwhile, we take a look at the west end. The ringmaster is that Gulf of Alaska low, and that is steering in quite a bit of rain into the lower elevations of Vancouver Island and the lower mainland. Those freezing levels rising today, so anywhere we had snow changing to rain showers. Could still be some slippery conditions through portions of the Fraser Valley as you go from Abbotsford over towards Chilliwack and Hope, rain changing to snow. So significant rain into the mountain passes, snow, blowing snow through the afternoon and evening, even into tomorrow morning. The Coquihalla, the Rogers Pass, the Kootenay Pass, all these areas, Allison Pass, could be seen in excess of 20 centimeters of snow, and in some cases even in excess of 30 centimeters as well. So your temperatures today, still quite chilly. Edmonton minus 11, Saskatoon and Regina minus 16 and minus 12, but tomorrow milder air, even double digits into southeastern areas of Alberta. That's a one-day visit of milder air. The energy from that BC storm system redevelops as a clipper. Heavy snow begins for the Icefields Parkway tonight through tomorrow. Calgary, 5 to 10 centimeters of snow, but into the mountains could be looking at 20, perhaps 30 centimeters of snow. So could be some dicey travel as well with this incoming storm.